Hello, this is Chris Minnick with Webucator. In this video, I'm going to show you the essential checklist to secure WordPress. This video was inspired by a blog post by Tracy Jones, which is available at the URL shown here. Millions of websites are built using WordPress, and WordPress is the most popular and beloved content management system today. But those millions of sites face serious attacks from hackers who will take advantage of weaknesses in a site to deface it with spam. Since recovering from a hacked website can be much more difficult than preventing hacking in the first place, here are some tips to harden your WordPress site. Start with your workstation. Make sure to update your operating system, software, and browsers regularly, and to use a good antivirus service. Next, install the latest version of WordPress as soon as it's released. The security and maintenance release notes that come with every WordPress update come with a list of security flaws in the previous version. This serves as practically a cheat sheet for hackers. If you're afraid that the update will break your site, just make sure to create a backup first. Next, make sure that your hosting is secure. A majority of WordPress sites are hosted on shared servers. What this means is that if one site on a shared server gets infected, every other site on that server is at risk. So choose a reliable and secure host. Virtual private servers and managed hosting minimize chances of breaches and are excellent for e-commerce sites. If you do go with shared hosting, make sure to check the host's maintenance schedule. 4. Use network security to prevent password and data interception. The key here is to find a host that allows SFTP encryption to protect your data and information from being intercepted while in transit to the server. 5. Use complex passwords. Don't use personal details in your password, or use passwords made up of a single word or passwords that are just letters or just numbers. The longer your password is, the more difficult it becomes to guess it by brute force. 6. Keep your WordPress database secure and isolated. It's best to use individual databases for each of your sites and to create separate users to manage each one. You can also revoke all database privileges except data read and data write from users who will only work with posting and updating data and installing plugins. You should also rename your database tables by adding a prefix to misdirect the hackers. 7. Hide all usernames in order to prevent hackers from finding out your admin username. You can use this code in functions.php. You can also change your login page URL by using a security plugin like Stealth Login. These are a few of the more important things you can do to secure your WordPress site. For 10 more recommendations, read the full article. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks again to Tracy for the inspiration. Check out Dark Creations at the URL shown here for other articles related to web design, WordPress, and Joomla.